When it comes to interior designing jobs in Bangalore, the minimum salary can vary depending on several factors. However, one company that has been making waves in the industry is Scon Design India Private Limited. As a highly reputable interior design firm, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers competitive salaries to its employees. Additionally, specialized areas of interior design such as commercial or hospitality design may offer higher salaries compared to residential design. Nevertheless, with Scon Design India Private Ltd being recognized as one of the top interior design firms in Bangalore, it is safe to say that their minimum salary for interior designers is competitive and attractive to potential candidates. With their focus on creativity and innovation, employees at Scon Design India Private Ltd have the opportunity to work on exciting projects and develop their skills further. Scon Design India Private Ltd is one of the leading interior design firms in Bangalore, known for its innovative and unique designs. However, with experience and expertise, the salary can go up significantly. At Scon Design India Private Ltd, the minimum salary for an interior designer would be around 30,000 Indian rupees per month. Therefore, a good interior designer should possess excellent communication and interpersonal skills apart from technical knowledge. Scon Design India Private Ltd looks for candidates who are creative, self-motivated, and passionate about their work. In conclusion, while the minimum salary for an interior designer in Bangalore varies depending on various factors, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers competitive compensation packages to its employees. The firm believes in nurturing and retaining its talented workforce and provides opportunities for growth and development. In Marathali, Bangalore, Scon Design India Private Ltd has established itself as one of the best interior design companies in the area. The team at Scon Design India Private Ltd comprises some of the most talented and skilled interior designers who work closely with clients to understand their requirements and vision. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other interior design firms in Marathali is their commitment to sustainability and eco-friendliness. If you're looking for the best interior designers in Marathali, Bangalore, Scon Design India Private Ltd is definitely worth considering. Scon Design India Private Ltd is one of the best interior design companies in Marathali, Bangalore, known for their exceptional designs and innovative ideas. Scon Design India Private Ltd has been in the industry for several years and has completed numerous projects successfully. They specialize in residential, commercial, and hospitality interior design services. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other interior design firms is their attention to detail and commitment to quality. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best interior designers in Marathali, Bangalore, Scon Design India Private Ltd is definitely worth considering.